I bet you have heard about the latest super exploit that can hack any Linux since 2017. And it's the best exploit ever. It's almost too good to be true, but we'll get to that later. Quick remind of what it is. They call him a copy.fail. Here is CV. It's exploit for local privilege escalation. Typical LP. Maybe not typical. Basically, is a Python script which looks like this and can give you root from normal account. On almost every fucking Linux that exists. It uses built-in sockets, things that allow you to connect to others or others connect to you. Basic network functions. Very common in programming, existing in every OS that exists. Expect one. Here is heart of exploit, its main function. This is how it works. Run it and you have a root. You don't even have to download it. Now every top security influencer talks how amazing it is. I know what exploit is. In fact, will be video of how to create one, how to create shellcode, an example of unusual exploit, which copy.fail definitely is, but other example. I've also used to create exploits from time to time. That's my hobby. No matter it is web app or a standard buffer overflow or something more complicated. Exploiting Linux is much harder than exploiting Windows. For example, ASLR, address space lightout randomization. To write exploit on Linux, you have to know assembly on interputs. Just like in DOS, that almost nobody remembered this time. Will be on channel, so don't forget to subscribe. Fact is, exploits in most cases works only under certain conditions, like specified app version, or specified OS version, or maybe specified system configuration. It almost never happened that something works on two different platforms without changes. Here and now we have 732 bytes that can exploit every fucking Linux distros that exists.
Unbelievable!
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, panie I panowie, chłopcy I dziewczęta, this is not an exploit. It is a backdoor.
Satanic black magic. Sick shit.
This is how today's backdoor looks like. What do you think? How it looks nowadays? That you connect to specified port via telnet and enter the password? Bitch, please. Here you have the best example of backdoor that ever be released. Does it works on every platform? It works! Does it works on every distro?
Yes.
It works! Does it bypass the most advanced Linux security features? It does! In other words, this is too perfect to be real.
Impossible.
Someone who created this has huge hacking and programming knowledge.
My nigga.
This is a league that is out of reach of top YouTubers, especially for them. Speaking of the copycat YouTube scene, it's funny how everybody reading the same shit and speaking it on videos. To me it's look a bit like this.
The sharing of biased and false news has become all too common on social media. More alarming, some media outlets publish these same fake stories without checking facts first.
The sharing of biased and
false news has become all too common on social media.
More alarming, some media outlets publish these same fake stories without checking facts first.
Unfortunately, some members of the media use their platforms to push their own personal bias and agenda to control exactly what people think, and this is extremely dangerous to our democracy.
Which is a bit creepy. But don't blame them. They do what they can to be the part of that hacking community. Not everyone, but most of them. See it by your own. More interesting is why they who create this released it. Someone knows?
Jump with all your might.
Oh no, Willie didn't make it, and he crushed our boy.
Ugh, what a mess.
Like you think it could be detected in normal way? It couldn't. Almost zero chances for that. People who create this usually released it when someone unauthorized gained access to it, to prevent using his backdoor on almost every system in the world. Or maybe they have something more advanced, maybe from AI. Before even that copy fail, we have the Red Sun exploit that bypassing Windows Defender and allows you to privilege escalations. It also wasn't so easy to find, especially with this ACAR reversed signature. How do you think? Let me know in comments. We have two very good backdoors that can theoretically do with your PC everything, dependently from OS. They always releasing it as 0 days to get extreme fast patch for that. That's the simplest way under community and public pressure. Some of released CVE, especially as 0 days, are backdoors, I think. To sum up, if this function is a backdoor, this is a key to open it. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and all what motherfucker. What?
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
That's only my personal reflection. Please don't listen to me, I have no idea what I'm talking about. No one would never spy on us or leaves backdoor on almost every system in the world.